I'm Manish, and today I'm going to take a session on VLOOKUP. So this is in continuation with another video that I made for Microsoft Excel, and I got request to have a video on VLOOKUP. So this is it. So I'm now creating a video on VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP is nothing but value lookup, and with that we can do wonderful things in an Excel. So I will show you how we can implement VLOOKUP in a single sheet, as well as how you can do it between two different sheets in Microsoft Excel. So here I have a table where it is employee ID, name and salary in dollars. So there are three values. Now what I will do is I will create another table where I will try to fetch salary into 12, that is annual salary for every person, every employee ID. So let's start. Now I'm now creating another table. Let's name it as employee ID, and the second one is salary per annum. So ideally this employee ID should be a drop down of all these values. So to make a drop down, just go to data validation. In the allow button, in the allow drop down, select list, and in the source section just click on this particular icon and select your values. I have selected all the employee IDs 1 2 3. I will go back to the console, and rest of it you can leave as it is. So you see that now I have a drop down of employee IDs. Now the next thing is I will try to link this table and this table to get my salary per annum. So let's start, and the formula will be equal to VLOOKUP. So we are trying to populate this value based on the employee ID, and that is the field A9. This particular VLOOKUP will be done on this table, so I will select this table. Now, what is the column name that we want to fetch? That is the third column, that is employee ID's name and salary. So third column we are uh, targeting, and do we want an exact match? So the fourth parameter is true approximate match or false exact match. So we are going for exact match. I will write 0 here. So there is some issue. Let me see. Most probably this one. So if you change the drop down, this will be automatically changed. Now I can do a mathematical operation and multiply it with 12. So as and when you change the value, the amount will be displayed as per the salary in this table. Now what I will show is I will go to another sheet and I will do the same thing here as well, just to show that we can have an inter sheet connection as well. So I'm doing the same thing here. So I will again go to data validation, settings, list, and just notice that what are the parameters that it will fetch. So I will click on this icon. I'll go to sheet 5 and I will select these values. Okay, so now you see that it is sheet 5, it is referring to sheet 5 and the same values A2 to A4, and I will go back. I will leave all the other options as it is and I will click on OK. So now you see that you have the drop down in 1, 2, 3 in the next sheet, sheet 7. Now for the annual salary, I will write the same VLOOKUP function. So this time my column is A2. A2 is the value on which the values will be displayed for annual salary. Then I will select the table from sheet 5. So here the column is 3 and I want an exact match. So other parameters remain same. Let me do this again. So the value here is A2. Now I need to select the sheet. I will follow the same steps. This is a sheet. The column is third column and it is an exact match. It is referring sheet 5 for the salary. As you can see that it is on the basis of the formula, everything is being populated. If you go to that annual salary cell, and here as well I can do a mathematical operations like multiplying it with 12 and your value will be displayed as a multiple of 12. So this was all for VLOOKUP, that is value lookup. Please drop in comments in the comment section and like the video, and please do not forget to subscribe the video and click the bell icon. Thank you. Thank you very much.